XPRENEURS supports early-stage high-tech startups in entering their market with a clear strategy in order to attract their first pilot customers. With a hand-selected ecosystem of not only investors but also industry experts and successful founders, we support our teams in the best possible manner.
After one mentoring session, we got an introduction to a business angel who then invested into us. We would definitely recommend XPRENEURS to any high-tech startup. You get access to like-minded founders, experienced mentors, and great events.
One of the main possibilities for us as investors to contribute to the community is to be part of pitch sessions, pitch trainings, and being able to meet the teams really early on to provide them with feedback which has an impact on the startup's journey.
XPRENEURS has been really helpful. Besides great offices and useful workshops, we've also made a lot of valuable contacts.
I believe XPRENEURS is the perfect space for an early-stage high-tech startup because of the community. You have other startups, you have the UnternehmerTUM. I think you have a lot of bright people working together in a very small space, and that's just beautiful.